In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share or send Google Sheets on WhatsApp. We're going to walk through this in a clear, simple way so you can quickly send your spreadsheet to friends, family, classmates, or coworkers, right from your phone or computer. First, open the Google Sheets file you want to share. Make sure everything you want to send is visible and double-check that you're signed in to the correct Google account. This matters because the sharing options depend on which account you're using and who you want to give access to. At the top right of your Google Sheet, look for the Share button. When you click it, a sharing menu will pop up. This is where you control who can see or edit your spreadsheet. By default, your file is usually restricted, which means only specific people you invite can open it. If you want to share the sheet with someone on WhatsApp, the easiest way is to use a link. In the sharing window, look for an option that says something like Copy Link or Get Link. Before you copy it, check the access level right above that button. You'll typically see options such as Restricted, Anyone with the link can view, or Anyone with the link can edit. If you just want the person on WhatsApp to be able to look at the data without changing anything, choose the View option. If you need them to collaborate and make changes, switch it to Edit. Be careful with edit access, especially in group chats, because anyone with that link will be able to modify your sheet. Once you've chosen the right permission level, click to copy the link. Now open WhatsApp. Go to the chat or group where you want to send the sheet, tap the message box, and paste the link. You can add a short message explaining what the sheet is for, then send it. When people in the chat tap that link, they'll be taken straight to your Google Sheet in their browser or in the Google Sheets app if they have it installed. If you prefer to send a static version instead, you can also download the sheet as a file, like a PDF or Excel document, from Google Sheets and then attach that file in WhatsApp. This is useful when you don't want the content to change after you send it. And that's all you need to do. By adjusting the link permissions and sharing it through WhatsApp, you can quickly and safely share your Google Sheets with exactly the people who need to see it.